This is the 11-in-1 screwdriver set. So this is a really cool design for a screwdriver. You can see you've got your square tip here, but you can pull this out, and then you've got a larger size, and then you can pull this whole unit out as well. Flip it around, and now you've got Phillips. And surprise, you can pull this out, and now you've got a smaller Phillips. Here's where it gets really cool though. You can take this whole unit out, flip the whole thing around, put that in, then you've got flathead on this side. Pull this out, you've got, let's see, a little smaller flathead. And then of course you can take this out as well. You've got your, looks like that's Torx. There's only one for the Torx. Now this does go in with magnets, so it just kind of snaps into place. But this is really cool. Really greasy. I don't know why it's so greasy, so I'm going to clean this up a bit. But this is a really cool idea for a screwdriver. So you have all that you need, but it's all together compact. Really like this idea. Should mention that when you take these out, you can use this for bolts or hex. Such a cool idea.